What's up, everybody? Most of you know about my first book, Chef Turtle's Infusion Guide and Cookbook with savory and baked recipes that took home 2 first place trophies at the Cannabis Awards. Well, that's old news. I've got my second edition Infusion Guidebook, Edibles Made Easy, dropping in June. This book will have double the recipes, simplified the infusions, and tips and tricks on cultivating your cannabis plants at home. Check it out at chefturtle420.com and get you a copy. Remember to keep those smiles growing and the positive energy flowing. Love, peace, and cannabis.